Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain. Aside from Christmas cards, I think one of the traditions which is all the more important today are thank you cards, especially after the Christmas season. A lot of times you'll have got gifts and cards from people you haven't actually physically seen, and it means all the more to someone when they receive a thank you card. So I've designed this one, and much to my surprise, I managed to cut this out with my old blade still in place. I did actually give it a bit of a sharpen, and I think it's made a bit of difference. It's not perfect, but it's usable for a little while longer. And what I did was I used a whetstone, and I got rid of any burrs and things on it by using that. Now, in the design, I've put some little hearts either side of this panel. But what I forgot to do in my design is to get the machine to fill them in. So it isn't going to be that difficult to do. I am just going to use the same pen and fill in all these little hearts. So I've filled them in now. Now a tip for those who are not used to doing this kind of thing: if you're right-handed, work from the left to the right, from the top to the bottom. Don't try and work over yourself, or you'll end up smudging the ink. Not a great look. So I've got this panel done, and I have coloured in a panel to go behind it. This is done with gouache, and all I do is I use one of these brushes, a little bit of glycerin, put it on a tile, and there's very little cleanup to be done. I can do my blending like that. So I need to put that onto the back here, and because I don't want any more moisture on there, I'm going to do that with a bit of sticky tape. Just going to check from the other side. Yeah, that's fine. I do like my automatic tape dispenser. I got this really cheaply in one of the local Spanish shops. I haven't seen them since I bought it, but it cost me €2. But it's great. Right, this is going to be raised up on foam, and because I purposely bought some foam for doing this kind of thing, I'm just going to cut a rectangle of foam and cover the whole back. Again, I'm going to use a double-sided tape for this because I really don't want to add any moisture. So there's my front panel, nice, clean and simple, and I'm going to put it onto there again with some double-sided tape. Here's my finished card. It's pretty simple, and I've put another little heart down here. This one I drew by hand, and the only reason I do that, there was a tiny little mark on my card. Now I thought I had a crystal heart that would have gone in that particular position and it would have looked really good. I had every other colour except gold. Blue ones, pink ones, purple ones. Didn't have any gold ones. And so that is it. Hope you like that card. The file will be linked down below. Now for all of you with phones and pads instead of a laptop or desktop, I believe you have to click on a downward arrow in order to see the box which has got more information down below, but you will still find it, and the files are always linked down there. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care.